Please stand by. A message from the President will be relayed shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. This broadcast will use text-to-speech, as the President of the United States is currently unable to speak over the air at this time. A global emergency is now in effect. The slime creatures, now identified as latex beasts, have now spread to all 50 states of the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii, along with the rest of the world, assimilating every human into white and black slime wolf creatures. It has also been discovered there have been other variants of these latex beasts, such as sharks, tiger sharks, dog and squid hybrids, felines, and dragons. These creatures are showing absolutely no mercy to any human that they see. Unfortunately, there had been many attempts to try and kill off these creatures, but all attempts have failed very badly, as these creatures are all immune to gunfire. There is now nothing that can be done to protect yourself, or to try anything else that can stop these latex beasts. The human population is decreasing very rapidly as this broadcast is being transmitted. Every world leader, including the United States presidents, have fallen as well. The rest of the human population will be going extinct in less than 12 hours. Humanity has fallen. Your final instructions are to gather those around you, and brace for the final hours of humanity. Pray to any religion that you are part of. This will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. The national anthem will be played for the final time, and then all broadcasts will be terminated for good. This is now the end of the message.